watched my last class again, welcome back my 11th video of C program, and you are watching Infinite India Online College. In last class I have discussed about C storage classes. The person who have not watched my last class video, so please watch those videos for better understanding, which links in description. So today I am going to discuss about how to run C program through minGW, and today I shall try to execute most of the previous class doubt program. The person who has sent me the doubt in my mail, thank you for sending the mail. So today I am going to discuss the first class program. So here at first I am going to open command prompt. So here I have opened the command prompt, and there I have already installed the minGW, and through minGW I am going to execute all the program. So here I have already opened the command prompt, and here I am going to do the important criteria here. So here I am going to type that. You can see there what I am typing. And here I am going to making my directory on desktop, and here I have already made the directory of the program, which name is program name, and here the folder name I am going to give. Where the program is going to be executed in program folder. So here I have given the program name. I have completed on command, and you can see there the program. Here in desktop you can see which name is folder, which name is program, and then next I am going to use notepad for executing the program. Okay, so here I am going to type, and here the notepad open, and the first program I am going to type the hello world program in C. Okay, so here I have typed the program, and now I am going to save this program. And here I have saved that program. Now I am going to cut it, and here I am going to give the command. If any error is going to be happen here, so here it will give a error, but there is no error in the program. So it will give no error. So now I am going to type program name, what which which type of program I have given, and hello world program I have given here. So here I am going to type hello dot exe, and now I'm going to execute it. It will run or not. Okay, I'm going to see, and you can also see there. Yeah, here is hello world. So what my program I have given here, hello world. Okay, here the hello world that print. So here it is going to print that program hello world. Okay, so now I'm going to print the next program. Okay, I'm going to delete it, and here the next program I'm going to type from there. Okay, which type of program? So here I'm going to type data type program, my next class program. Here I'm going to type, and this is the program, and now I'm going to save that the data. And you can see the I have already set that program. And now come back to the command prompt, and here I am going to type in minGW. It is, yeah, it will, it all are going to be executed in minGW, the running platform of C and C++ also. So what the name I have given? Okay, yeah, extension file not created, so that's why it will give some error during running the program. So here it will give the output. I will explain one by one all the program which I have executed. Okay, and the next in next class I'm going to explain about the operators. Yeah, you already know the three types of operator are there: urinary, binary, and ternary operator are there. Okay, in next class I'm going to explain these operators. Okay, but in this class I'm going to explain and execute all the programs which you have studied in previous class. Okay, so come back to the next program. Okay, copy it. The person who needs a PDF, so they can mail me. Okay, so here I will provide the PDF file. Okay, so come back to the next program. So here I have typed the floating point program, and now I'm going to execute this program on command prompt. Okay, at first you can you can go and save as this program. So the floating point program is there. So here I'm going to type float. Okay, you can give any names. Okay, so now I'm going to type this program. No any error is there. Now what shall I do? Okay, I'm going to run this program. And now you can see the output. So the here the storage size for float is 4, and now the here the maximum and the minimum of the floating point size. Okay, and the precision value is 6 from there. Okay, so now come back to the next program, and now I'm going to type this program. And here the next program is the variable declaration in C. So here I'm going to type the variable declaration in C program, and here I'm going to execute that program. So yeah, and now I'm going to save this program. And here you can see the output value of C is 30 and the value of F is 23.33 and last one is the 4. Okay, so come back to the next point of the variable declaration program. Here is the variable declaration I have completed, and after end of the this session my next video will comes on operator, and after the operator now I'm going to execute this all operator program from here. Okay, so here I have completed the execution of the program. So in next class I'm going to explain about the operator of C program. So feel free to mail us your experiences and ask your doubts on my email address. And once again, the person up to now who has not subscribed my channel, so please like, share, comment on this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And then my email ID I have given, you can see on your screen, and the person who needs the PDF of the program, so mail me. Thank you.